Loen, Norway, and we found this river. Well, it's not like a river, it's a river. But they've made it so you can get down, you know. They put a bridge across and a rope so that you can walk out close. Although every so often water comes up on there. I don't want to get too wet. But there it is. It's loud. Now we're going to go back across, and they set up chairs and a bench over here.
Fire pit.
And you just have to press those boards. And jump across the water. And then go up the slippery tree roots. And maybe into the forest. So we're in Loen, Norway. Guess I didn't say Norway before. And we were supposed to be in Olden, but there's another ship there, so we went to Loen. And of course, if you want to take the wheel, there it is.
Need some bait?
Riverside products. So we got some bait, got some trout. Huh.
What are these things?
I'm gonna guess something they don't want around here. Anyway, and like Janet said, a little fire pit. Let's walk along the edge here. Mud. Look at these flowers. No, I'm not going to step on the wildflowers that somebody planted here. Why would I do that? And you could walk all along the river back to town, I guess. We're up out of town. I mean, you can see some houses up here. But we're headed up to a lake. I see a big bridge up there. So, remember to watch our video. Loen, Norway. And this is the Loelva River, I believe. We've reached the, well, where it's a lake. So on this side of the river, and this side of lake. And if you look carefully, you'll see glaciers up on top of the mountains. Waterfalls coming down from those glaciers. Way over there, you'll see the gondola station. I'm going to walk down this trail. It's a trail through the water. Look out for the mud. So this lake goes way up for miles. Oh, this is very soft, very muddy. Like that. Underground creek coming from up there. We are in a, I'd call it an alpine lake, although we're not in the Alps. We are in Norway. The port is Loen, Norway. Although we're up 3 miles outside of Loen now. And we've reached the lake. There's a river that flows down to the ocean right around the bend here. And, well, a lot of people. And meadows and boats and turquoise water and glaciers and, well, you name it. I'm going to piece these two together. Hi. And another car coming, but he may be going the other way. So it's very picturesque up here. The ship, of course, was supposed to go to Olden, which is 4 miles to my left. But there's another ship there, so we went to Loen. I'm kind of glad we did. I mean, look at the color of that water, right? Of course, I guess 6 months out of the year, this is all covered in snow and ice. I don't know. I haven't been here in the winter. Now we're going to go back to town and try to ride the gondola up. Let's walk around here a little bit. There we have it. So from Loen, Norway.
This is Janet,
And Gareth.
and we'll see you in the next part.
Bye.
Bye.